In this video, I'll show you how notifications work in ClientBranch. They live behind this bell at the very top of the left sidebar. Notice it's the only menu item in gold, so it always stands out, and the moment something needs you, the bell turns gold and gently pulses. Let's click it to see what's waiting. Here's everything that needs your attention in one place. Each unread item has a little gold dot, and an icon shows what it is. ClientBranch notifies you about new bookings, form submissions, and new messages, including new Facebook messages and Instagram direct messages, so you never miss a customer who reached out on social. You can also get a pop-up alert right on your computer the instant something arrives. Just click Turn on Desktop Alerts, and when your browser asks, click Allow. Now you'll be notified even when ClientBranch is in a background tab. To read any notification, just click it. ClientBranch takes you straight to the message, booking, or submission it's about, and marks it as read for you automatically. Open the bell again, and you'll see that message is now marked read, while the rest are still waiting. And when you've caught up, click Mark All Read to clear them all at once. The gold count disappears, and you're all set. That's it! The gold bell keeps you on top of every new booking, message, and form across email, text, Facebook, and Instagram, all in one place. That's notifications in ClientBranch.